today we are going to learn French question words. These are words used to ask questions. They are everyday words you come across when asking questions in French. Now, these words could appear at the beginning of a sentence, the middle, or the end, as au début, au milieu, ou à la fin de la phrase. The words like the common ones I know you are used to, like pourquoi, comment, quand. These are the words we will be seeing. Now we have these words. Please repeat after me. Quand, when. Pourquoi, why. Où, where. Comment, how. Que, what. Quoi, what. Qui, who. Avec qui, with whom. À quelle heure, at what time. Now I'm going to give an example. Comment tu vas? Comment tu vas means how are you? And you can see that comment is at the beginning of the sentence. Tu vas comment? This also means how are you? Comment here is at the end of the sentence. The next page is going to show us different compound arrangements with these same question words. You're going to use them to ask questions and also to when you have answers, to create questions, and also to translate the meaning from English to French. Please read carefully, ensure that you pronounce the words properly before you start answering the questions. Now, I know you must have seen que and quoi. Both of them can be used interchangeably. Now, the next page is about the different expressions we just talked about. There are some that were not mentioned in the first page, like from number 5, we have quel. Quel has both the masculine, the feminine, and the plural. Once it comes with an S at the end, it's plural. If it ends with an E, it's feminine. And if it ends with a consonant sound, it's masculine. Now, I would explain femininity and masculinity in another video, but this particular expression, quel, means which. Quels sont, for example, quelles sont tes idées? What are your ideas? Quelles sont tes idées? What are your ideas? Quelle heure est-il? What time is it? Quelle heure est-il? What time is it? Then we have number 7. Est-ce qu'on peut? Can you? If you want to ask permission to do something. Est-ce qu'on peut aller en haut? Can you go upstairs? Est-ce qu'il y a? Is there? Est-ce qu'il y a quelqu'un en haut? Is there somebody upstairs? Est-ce que tu? Do you? Est-ce que tu manges du pain? Do you eat bread? Est-ce que tu manges du pain? Do you eat bread? This is used to ask questions. If you want to ask questions, you want to make a request, you want to know more about something, you use est-ce que. Number 11, we have qu'est-ce que, which is what. I'm sure you've heard of qu'est-ce que c'est several times. Qu'est-ce que c'est is what is it. So the qu'est-ce que in it means what. Qu'est-ce que means what. Qu'est-ce que tu fais en haut? What are you doing up? What are you doing upstairs? Qu'est-ce que tu fais en bas? What are you doing downstairs? Do. Où on its own means where. With a D before it, it means from where. D'où tu viens? Where are you coming from? D'où tu viens? Where are you coming from? Then we have number 14. Qu'est-ce qu'elle or qu'est-ce qu'il? You want to ask what somebody does for a living. Qu'est-ce qu'il fait comme travail? What does he do for a living? Qu'est-ce qu'elle fait comme travail? What does she do for a living? Combien de temps? I'm sure you've heard of combien, so this is quite easy. Combien de temps? Combien de fois? You want to ask about the duration of something, you use combien. Est-ce que? You want to ask, like the way we had at the beginning. Est-ce que can also mean do, like do, do. Then we have the inversion of the verb and the personal pronoun. You can decide to use est-ce que, then the personal pronouns and the verb, or you just go straight to the inversion to make your sentences. Now, the next page, this is the page I was talking about. We are going to do 1 to 7, but I'll do 1 and 2 for you. You are supposed to create questions to the answers. You create questions to the answers. The questions are to be on the left and the answers on the right. Now we have Je m'appelle Fred. What do you think could be the question? Comment tu t'appelles, or tu t'appelles comment? Comment tu t'appelles? Je m'appelle Fred. And number 2, we have J'habite à Chicago. J'habite à Chicago. What could be the question? Tu habites où? That's very good. Some people might have said do tu habites, but that's not correct, because that's from where. So we have tu habites où? Où? Tu habites où? Yeah, you can also use tu habites où. That's the best expression. Then you have to do 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 on your own. We have for 3, c'est le 30 octobre. 4, non, je déteste le poisson. Poisson here means fish. Then 5, j'ai 2 frères. J'ai 2 frères. This is quite easy. 6, le samedi, je vais en ville. And 7, avec ma copine. Avec ma copine. Copine means girlfriend, while copain means a boyfriend. Now for 2, we have the words in English who, where, when, what do, and how many. You have to write the meaning of this in French on your right hand section of the table. And the final section we have questions. We have questions, and number 1, I'll do number 1 and 2. Do you go on vacation? Tu vas en vacances? Tu vas en vacances? Now the question here would be, okay, very good. Est-ce que tu vas en vacances? Do you go on holiday? Or do you go on a vacation? Do you go on a vacation? Est-ce que tu vas en vacances? Or vas-tu en vacances? Remember we said we can invert the verb first, the personal pronoun next, then the rest of the sentence. Then number 2, do you like France? Tu aimes la France? Tu aimes la France? Can we invert here? Yes. Aimes-tu la France? Aimes-tu la France? Now do the rest